to open the bonnet of the Jayco Freedom, the Renault Master. If we're looking for the toolkit, it's under the passenger seat. We just have to slide the seat all the way forward and we can get our jack and wheel brace from underneath there. And also our bonnet catch is just in the footwell of the passenger side here. So we've pulled the little lever inside. We go to the side, there is another lever out here. We pull towards us and we lift up. Make sure that's nice and secure. And starting from the left, everything that we need to look at is in yellow. So we've got our windscreen wiper tank just on this side here. We've got our brake fluid, our engine oil and dipstick is just below. That's our power steering and our coolant there. And we want to get those checked every 10 to 20,000 kilometers and make sure that everything's nice and tidy and clean.